Wow, wow, wow. Have you seen the new iPhone 15 Pro? It's insane. Made out of titanium, it looks incredibly powerful and rugged. In short, you gotta get it, 1000%. So today I'm gonna tell you how to earn an iPhone 15 in just 15 minutes a day on YouTube, without shooting, without editing, without even showing your face. The latest iPhone is a must-have for any self-respecting YouTuber or business person. It'll elevate your status and give you access to the new cameras that capture mind-blowing footage. I mean, I wanna shoot my videos on the iPhone 15 Pro too. Now, let's get down to business. How can you earn the new iPhone?
Teach me.
So I'm about to reveal a killer strategy to you. Pay close attention and stick with me till the end. It's crucial to follow every single step. Want a guarantee? Look, this channel is earning already up to $75,000 per month. Let's do some quick math on a calculator. This channel is making $75,000 a month, and it only has 60 videos. That means to catch up to them, all you need to do is make 2 videos a month, and you can realistically spend just 15 minutes on each. So, at the end of the month, you'll earn $75,000 divided by 1,600, which is the cost of a new iPhone 15 Pro. That's 75 divided by 1,600 equals 46. Do you get it now? At the end of the month, you can buy 46 iPhone 15 Pro Maxes with 1 terabyte of storage. That's top configuration. Isn't that amazing?
It's beautiful.
If you already know how to spend 75 grand, follow my lead. Hey there, YouTube hacker friend. I'm Mike Ross. I currently manage 9 YouTube channels and I make over $100,000 from them every single month. And I'm ready to share all of my knowledge with you so you can experience and level up your own YouTube channel or build a successful business from a dozen channels like mine and start making real money online with YouTube. I've developed a unique method and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. But for now, don't waste any time. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to learn about the most profitable strategies for earning on YouTube. Now, let's find out how many views you can get with our strategy. Go to YouTube and search for Shorts Respect. I've analyzed it and it's one of the hottest topics in Shorts today.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Next, sort by the number of views and you'll see that one video has 53 million views and another one has 37 million views. These are real viral videos, and that's what we need. Remember the channel from the intro? It's called Respect C, and it operates in this niche too. As you can see, among their shorts, there are many videos that can get an average of 150 to 300,000 views. Now, let's check the channel on Social Blade. Yep. It shows that the channel makes up to $75,000 a month and up to $900,000 a year. Ready to earn the same? It's time to hit that like button for this video because I'm literally fulfilling your wishes and telling you how to make money to buy the cool new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wow. Now, here comes the most crucial part, implementing that super secret strategy. I'll repeat it. Every step is essential, so pay close attention and stick with me till the end. Step 1, find TikTok videos. Jump onto TikTok and in the search bar type Shorts Respect. Great. Now I like this video with 33 million views. It's got some dynamic stuff with balls, which is interesting. Plus, the video is already trending on TikTok. Go into the video itself and click copy link. By the way, what videos do you respect the most? Sporting achievements, acts of kindness, or maybe some impressive stunts? Let me know in the comments down below. Step 2, download the video. Now, we need to go to SnapTik website. All you have to do is paste our link into the field and hit the green button. Next, click on the blue button. After that, the video will be downloaded to your computer. Step 3, create the video. So, we quickly hopped onto canva.com. You'll need to register here through your email, but it's super quick. Next, go to the video section. Yup. Choose mobile video and you'll get a blank template. Take our downloaded video from your computer and drag it right into the template. Great. Now stretch the video to fit the entire screen. Yep. To use another cool strategy for creating shorts, I recommend checking out my video on how to use ChatGPT and make up to $40,000 every month. Click the link in the description to earn even more money on YouTube Shorts. All right, let's go to the elements category. Select a square like this, stretch it, place it at the top, and change the color to white. Got it? Now copy this rectangle and create another one at the bottom. Done. Next, click text, add a subtitle, change the color to black for better contrast, and write something like, "How impressive is this?" Send it upwards. Now copy and place it at the bottom. Yep, here you can rate it from 1 to 10. The most important thing is to get people to comment, because while they're typing, your video will keep replaying and you'll get more views. Imagine how much you can boost them if 5 out of 10 people comment on your video. It can increase your views by tens or hundreds of times. Time to download our video. Go to the upper right corner, click share, and here's the download button. Perfect. In my videos, I always reveal my secret life hacks for promoting your video and doubling or tripling your income. To learn more, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Step 4, upload the video to YouTube. It's time to share our masterpiece with YouTube viewers. To do that, we need to upload the video. So go to your YouTube studio page, click dashboard, good, now upload video. Shorts are uploaded just like regular videos. The only thing you need is to include hashtag shorts in the title. Great. Before the hashtag, write shorts respect. You can also add links to your other videos in the description to help with promotion. At the bottom, in the tag section, type hashtag respect video, hashtag trick, hashtag tricks, up to 500 characters. In short, don't spend too much time on hashtags. They don't really help videos go viral that much anymore. After that, publish the video. Awesome. Just like I said, 15 minutes a day without breaking a sweat, and by the end of the month, you could have $75,000. That's a whopping 46 iPhone 15 Pro Maxes. 46 iPhones. I don't know where you'll put another 45, but hey, you'll surely find a place for 75 grand. You see how easy it is? That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. The link is in the description below this video. Join my Hack YouTube course and we'll get into detail about everything you need for a successful channel and making a profit of $10,000 a month on YouTube. We'll find the most profitable niche for you, break down monetization methods, create a channel management strategy for the next 3 months, uncover the most current video design life hacks, share a collection of secret content creation and quality improvement tools.
What do you need? Tools. Lots of tools.
And explain how YouTube algorithms work and how to hack them so your videos always end up in YouTube's recommendations. And by the end of the course, you'll have your very own monetized YouTube channel where you can guarantee your dreams will come true. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube money hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi,
I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Mike Ross.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I'm immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
So, are we the coolest of the cool now? Easily and effortlessly making money for 46 iPhones. Yes, for some time, you'll need to create videos for free to join the YouTube Partner Program. Specifically, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. But don't worry, in about a month, you'll reach that number and surpass it. So, let's wait for those new iPhones and keep producing top-notch content with a passive income of $75,000 every month. It's like a fairy tale. Are you in?
Of course.
And by the way, there's another effective and profitable strategy for creating shorts with funny kittens. So check out my video where I reveal how to earn even more and make up to $200,000 a month. Click the link here or in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. This has been Mike Ross. Have an amazing YouTube Hackers Day. Peace out.